Okay, so we have come to the terminus of this course. This is the last lesson of this course. I've talked on a whole lot of things. So let me just walk you down through. In lesson one, I talked about finance. I talked about how poor people think and what have you. I said that poverty is from the mind and how you can be able to fight that and be financially free. I talked about the Parkinson's law, which you need to break if you must be consistently profitable and get a good income stream for yourself. So you need to make sure that not just you knowing how to make money, you know how to preserve money, you know how to multiply money, you know how to manage money. So that is that. Then talk about the four quadrants. That's your employer, your self-employed, your business owner, and your investor. We talked about being in these two quadrants, but in Forex here, we are looking at coming into this place here. Okay, so I talked about the income statement of the poor, middle class, and the rich. Then we went into look at some rudiments of Forex. We explained Forex basis and quotes. Your base is the first one, the quote is the second. I talked about take profit, stop loss, and how you risk, how you profit. I said your risk should always be smaller, your reward should be big. First, when you're buying and when you are selling. Now, this you are selling, your entry point, your stop loss is higher, take profit is down. So your risk is always smaller than your take profit. So I talk about the advantages of trading with foreign exchange market, things to know about the foreign exchange market. Then the power of compounding, I talk about how you can make a double, not increasing your risk exposure. So making a double of 10, if you make 10 doubles of an ordinary $100 account, it amounts to a mind-blowing $102,400. 1,000 gives you $1 million. 10,000 gives you over $10 million. So you need to know how convenient it will take you to make a double. If it's 2 months, then you make 10 doubles in 20 months. And if you want to increase that, you need to fine-tune your understanding of the marketplace and come in regularly in the chart, improving your daily profits, so improving your weekly profit. So I talked on price action just recently, 90-10% rule, and how the big banks and the market makers control the market. I talked about the different styles of trading, position, swing, short-term trading, day trading, and scalping. All matters on the type of person you are, how you are to react. If you're someone that reacts easily, you don't really have patience, but you can be disciplined and focused, then scalping will be for you. If you're someone that just wants to allow your trade to just flow for a very long time in a day, you go to work, come back, then day trading and short-term trading is for you. If you're someone that don't want to be too busy on the chart, you don't want to learn some things and come in a week, swing trading is for you, and position trading for those that trade long-term for months. So we said on how price obeys to underlying factors going focus for liquidity and rebalancing and imbalance. And we talked about the type of the market we have, bullish IOF and bearish IOF. So we said that the purpose of this market is to go and take out liquidity. The market looks to seek yield. So where are the retailers placing their stop loss? They go to offset them and they take them in that direction. Now we talked about the different market conditions. We said that the market is not static but dynamic. It changes its condition with respect to time. And we have 4 different market conditions: expansion, retracement, consolidation, and reversal. Consolidation is seen when market is being kept in the trading range. Expansion is seen when market leaves that trading range, and it shows off their repricing model, their footprint. Retracement is a return back to the recently created price range, and reversal is an overall change in direction of the market order flow, that the institutional order flow from bearish to bullish or from bullish to bearish. I also talked about the price for freedom that you need to pay. I said you need to have undying hunger for success. You need to have the right environment, the right community. You need to be focused. You need to have courage and sacrifice and hard work to put into dissecting the chart, and you need to be resilient. Now let's talk about IOC. So IOC, we have a vision of offering our customers all over the world tools for their financial freedom through adequate knowledge of the foreign exchange market. Our mission to stop a world-class workforce system that will deliver our services effectively. And we look to enlighten and hence demystifying the fear people have about Forex trading through the display of consistent profitability. Now, this is our contacts and our address, our WhatsApp number, Instagram, email, our location, and what have you. So these are testimonials for our students that have come and they are profitable and currently trading on our trading floor. So in IOC, we don't just teach you and let you go. We want you to be profitable. So thus, even after your course here trading, we want you to be able to come back and trade. You trade specifically with me. You trade with me, we come in, we look at what we want to trade, we share ideas, we all grow an account together. And we have something we are doing, we compound account long term. So we have accounts we do not touch for a long term, let me say maybe 6 months. We want to grow a small $100 account, we want to push it to minimum $10,000. So we give that time and we trade every day, coming in every week, sharing ideas and trading in that format. So and that's what we do. So these are just a few of our students. So we also give our courses both physically and online. So that's that. So we hold trading seminars. We go out in campuses to teach and what have you. Okay, so I said that our different classes, just a short one, our different classes, like now we know the IOC Forex Manual, which is the beginning, and we're giving that for free now. So the paid ones begin from the basic to intermediate to the advanced, the masters. Then we have the lifetime mentorship, where we sit on the trading floor and grow our accounts together. So all these are being done both physically and online. So either you come onto the office to learn, or just as you're having it now through online via this video lesson being passed to you. So all these lessons in the course, when you register for the courses, it's actually not expensive, although now we are even giving a 50% discount to all our students just to ease what it demands for them to learn and get this knowledge for themselves. Understand? So those are our classes, the basic classes. The basic teaches you the rudiments of Forex in depth, introduce you to trading psychology, money management, and you know all the Forex jargon. I just touched everything here on the tip. I not really go in depth. The intermediate teaches you position trading, because here in Forex Academy, we teach from a fractal perspective. It's as if you cannot really get to being a short-term trader without learning how to be a long-term trader. First of all, you need to see things on a large scale, then you break it down to components, then you start seeing them on a small scale. So the intermediate class teaches you the model of the market makers in depth. I go in depth, teach you on the model of market maker, how they do position trading. Where will they stop before they will expand? Where will they stop before they will retrace? How do you know that it is time for them to reverse? How do you know that now it's time for consolidation? You're not meant to come into the market. When do you come into the market? Do you come into the market every day? Do you come in the market every time of the day? When do you check your trade? Where do you put your stop loss? Where do you enter? Where do you put your take profit? All those in the intermediate course. Then the advanced course teaches you money management in depth, psychology in depth, how to build your trading system, the system you use to trade, the factors that allow you to go in a trade, come out of a trade. How do you spot a trade if it is good for you to enter or not? You learn in your advanced. The advanced also teaches you about swing trading. Understand? Then at the end of our advanced class, we tell our students to register for a competition, a trading competition in the academy that we also award them and encourage them to do better. And it kind of like makes them to work on themselves to be able to understand the chart better. Then the master's course teaches you about your short-term trading, your scalping, and what have you. You enter trading a day, you come out, and day trading, short-term trading, money management in depth, psychology in depth, all those things are being taught in your master's course. You can even translate it to other different asset classes. That's your futures and whatever, your crypto, whatever you want to do with it. So, and then the lifetime mentorship, although this is not on for now, but when I have more time on my hands, I'm going to make an announcement for this lifetime mentorship. But currently now, we do something similar to that, where you come to the office and you trade with me. So we run events every year. We run what is called FinX, that our financial exposure is being done annually. Then we do campus and city tours. We go to different cities, go to different campuses to do our tours, to enlighten them on the knowledge of foreign exchange. Then we have a program, we build you up, that the monthly competitions, our trading floor, and IOC, the aim is to build a trading community of like minds that can share ideas, they trade together, they group their accounts together, they become profitable together, and they're not being infected with any other knowledge that is not leading anywhere. So that's it. Then we have our packages, which are called, one of them is the accelerated plan. So I trade for our students for now. I trade for those students that want to really get on something by the side, even if they are not permitted to start trading, because we advise our students to start trading in their advanced class. That's when we advise them to start trading, because by that time, they are fully equipped with whatever is needed to come into the market and trade. They understand the market makers model, they understand all the manipulations, they know when they are to come to trade, they know the money management, and they have the trading plan, because it's in this advanced class we give our trading plan, our trading system on how to maneuver the market and what have you. So the packages we have, the accelerated plan, I trade for our students while they are still learning. I trade for some persons depending on where we are at currently, and it is being done in my free time. Understand? It's not done. It's being done in my free time. It's not something that runs forever. It's something that I cannot say, okay, we're no longer doing this accelerated plan again because I don't have chance to do that. So I manage their funds for them while they grow in the academy. So in 2022, we made 10 times of our students' money and disbursed to them. In 2023, we have done several ones where we have given them 2 times of their funds. So that's the affiliated plan. So that's just a bit about IOC. That's just a bit about IOC. So we have our different platforms on YouTube, IOC Forex Academy, Instagram, IOC_Forex_Limited. Then on Facebook, IOC Forex Academy, you can go and check up there to see more updates about us and be able to track our events and what have you. But I will want to urge you that you don't just stop here. Yeah, like I said, in one of the lessons, that you must have a working knowledge of what you have to do if you have to use the foreign exchange market as your instrument. Now you have the right material, you have the right mentor to be able to take you and lead you by the hand towards constant profitability. For those that want to make a good stride here in the foreign exchange market, you need to acquire more knowledge. You need to get in with this community. You need to be able to get on with like-minded people, like-minded and concerned persons that are looking forward for your profitability. Because I'm telling you that just like I've seen the testimonials, so many persons have come here, they are profited. That are just a few of them I showed you in the previous slide. They are profited and they are doing well for themselves. So that's the end of this course. It seems like I should not leave you, but I have to leave you here. So that's the end of this course, but just the beginning of what we have to give you here in IoT Forex Academy. So I love you and I want to see you in the basic course. Thank you very much. I am your mentor, IUC. Thank you very much.